Hi, amazing class. This is Sister Dorman. I've had lots of emails about questions on how to complete the project, what the project is even about. So let me show you where you can find all the information about the semester project, okay? So we're going to lesson 7. And here in lesson 7, we can see this team coordination discussion. Okay, this discussion is not graded. Even though it says 15 points, I've excused everyone. So just be aware that it's not a graded assignment, okay? So we have a lot of reading this week. So you really please do not skip over this professional skills and relationship teams, because it teaches you the 5 different parts that you're going to have to use this week when you are discussing your project, all right? So this image right here gives you an overview of the 5 different steps that you're going to be asked to complete, all right? So now let's go to the project. So right here where it says prepare semester project, this has all of the information you need to help you understand what the semester project is about, okay? So please read carefully. So right here it talks to you about your team discussions. This is going to take you to the link in week 6. I personally would recommend, I'm going to keep a new discussion each week. That way it doesn't get so long that you get lost. So right here, this paragraph where it says semester project overview, it tells you exactly what we're doing. Your project is to create a business proposal for a lemonade stand. Okay, so now we know we're going to create a lemonade stand. Okay, so this project is big. It's going to take from week 6 all the way to week 13, okay? So understand that you're not going to get this completed in 1 week. So please don't get overwhelmed. The course does a really nice job of breaking everything down week by week to help make it a lot simpler. All right? So this plan right here shows a breakdown of what you're going to be doing each week. All right? So we're just going to skip past this. We can't even click on these. It doesn't allow us to access those. All right? So the next thing that we're going to do is this week's assignment, okay? This tells us exactly what we're going to be doing this week. We have 2 tasks. The first task is to create a team governance document. All right, this document you have to create yourself. So the course recommends using Google Docs. The reason it recommends Google Docs is so you guys can share it together and you're not emailing back and forth the document. All right, Google Docs is available through our course. In week 1, we were asked to set up our computer. There in week 1, we should find information about using Google Docs. So let's go there. Okay, right here, prepare, set up your computer software. Click on this. And look, download Microsoft Office for free. Okay, so this is where you're going to find the Google Docs. All right. Now I'm back in lesson 7, going to that semester project. Okay, so now that we know we need to create a Google document that we each collaborate on, the next step is going to be including all of these ideas in our governance document, okay? We need to talk about how we're going to communicate, and everyone needs to agree on that same communication. And then we need to organize the product or the project. You may want to elect a leader on maybe who's in charge of kind of turning in the document. I mentioned that in my notes. And then if you don't have team members who are participating, that's when you need to get me involved, okay? And I will help you coordinate that. The last thing that you need to do is download this conversion table, all right? This conversion table is something that you are going to be using for the next 3 weeks. This video right here explains about the document. So every team member needs to download this, okay? And this is what you're going to be using and submitting at the end of week 7, week 8, and week 9. And it's a big Google document that has different tabs in it. All right, let me show you that. Okay, so the next part of this is going to the application activity, okay? And this application activity is where you physically download that workbook that you found in the video, okay? So you're going to click on this workbook, okay? And you're going to download it. I'm going to put it in my week 7 folder. Remember, I showed you how to set up these folders at the beginning of the semester. I'm going to put it in that folder, okay? I'm just going to delete this first part, okay? And I'm going to put the team that I'm associated with, maybe team 2, okay? And then this is my semester project. I'm going to save it. And now I have access to it. And it might be a good idea to watch that video after you have looked at this document. You want to make sure and press enable editing, okay? And that video, it shows you how this document has these tabs. These are different tabs, okay? To complete this assignment, you have to watch the math videos. So you need to understand that everything this week is focused on helping you be able to complete what's in this document, okay? Please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day.